Deep in the jungle at Tasik Bera, in the state of Pahang, one can meet the oldest inhabitants of the Malaysian peninsula. 1,400 Aborigines from the ethnic group Semelai. Tasik Bera is a labyrinth of rivers and lakes covering almost 7,000 hectares. Here, vegetation and wildlife are both vast and diverse. There are approximately 200 species of birds and nearly 100 species of mammals and reptiles. Kok, his wife Guya and their family live off the natural environment, the forest and its rubber trees, the river and its fish. Today they are going fishing with their daughter-in-law, Janeri, and their grandson, Bin. The rivers and lakes of Bera are populated by more than 90 different species of fish. Most are catfish, carp, barbions, hampalas, and other tomans. Kok fishes with a spear on the edge of the bank. After several rain showers, the water level has quickly risen, making fishing difficult and unpredictable. Kok finds a small catfish in the grasses. He lances it with a blow from his spear. Kok takes a bamboo trap from the water, which he left there a few days ago. As he takes out the fish, Guya cuts a piece of yam. Continuing downstream, the four fishermen check the other fish traps placed there a few days ago. In Malaysia, this is known as bubu. The fish are attracted by pieces of yam placed in the trap. One by one, the fish are removed and the yam is either put back or replaced if necessary. Today is a day for catfish. Here are two more. The trap is then returned to the river. The young Bin will not be outdone. He proudly brings his mother his bubu, containing a small fish. Depending on the season, the Semelai fish for crabs or turtles. They must always be wary of the snakes and crocodiles that populate the lakes, swamps and rivers of Tasik Bera. For Guya, fishing always ends with a bathe in the river. At the end of a peaceful afternoon, she brings fish back to her family to accompany the evening meal.